Going on, my dudes, this is Math Time with Mr. G, and today we're going to talk about mid-segments. So let's first do a review of midpoints. So a midpoint formula was x2 plus x1 divided by 2, and then y2 plus y1 divided by 2. We're just trying to find the average of the x's and the average of the y's. So if we were to find point E, x2 is -1 plus x1, which is 5, which becomes 4, which becomes 2. Now for y2, we have 4 plus 0, which becomes 4, which becomes 2. So the midpoint is at the point 2, 2, 2, 2, which is right. However, we can then use it for more complicated things where they don't give us the said numbers. So it's still going to be the same formula, where this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 was 2p plus 2q over 2. Both these have 2 in it, so I can factor that out and say p plus q over 2. And then I have 2 times divided by 2, which cancel each other out, and I'm left with p plus q. On the other side, I have y2, which was 0, plus r2 over 2. 0 plus anything is just the beginning. The 2's cancel, and I'm left with r. So point E is at p plus q, comma r. Midpoints are created when a mid-segment cuts all the way across. So the top is equal to the bottom. So that means if this is 8, x also equals 8. But if the mid-segment is parallel and creates 2 parallel lines, whatever this number is, it is half the distance above it. So if this is 5, that means that it was cut in half, and so the original was 10. Other than that, be kind to one another, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.